Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Valentine's Day shop with me. We're here at Hobby Lobby and we're getting ready to go in and see everything that they have as far as home decor and Valentine's Day stuff. So it looks like they still have their 75% off clearance, so I'll show a little bit of that too. We did just leave TJ Maxx and they had nothing. They literally didn't have any Valentine's Day stuff at all. I'm here with Mom and Brooks. Thank you guys for commenting on the last video and asking how he's doing. He's a lot better now. But anyways, I did go to Target the other day and picked up a few things as far as Valentine's Day stuff, and I'll show you guys that when I get home. But I also think I'm gonna start up my Target Tuesdays again on Instagram today. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'll have my handle linked here. You guys can see real-time stuff that I'm doing, daily updates, all of that, and just gives you a sneak peek. But I love Target Tuesdays. I did them last year and you guys seem to like them too, so definitely check that out. I go through pretty much the whole store. Sometimes I even do like clothing try-ons and stuff, so really fun. Are you ready to go in and shop? Are you ready to go in? All right, let's go see what deals we can find.
The clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late.
What do you think about that one? That's actually pretty cute.
Thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have treated you much better. So much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you.
Alright, we just left Hobby Lobby, got a few things. The Valentine's Day stuff isn't on sale yet, so I just used the coupon on one thing from there, but it was so fun to just walk around. Now we're at Kirkland's and we are going to check out what they have. It looks like they have 75% off Christmas and then an extra 25% off their green tag clearance. So let's go see what we can find.
Ticking, don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. past midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say.
Okay, I just made it home and I've laid everything out that I picked up today. I did get all of my Valentine's Day stuff picked up. The only thing I didn't find were any Rae Dunn Valentine's Day pieces, so I may still be on the lookout for that if I just happen to run across it. But I was really disappointed at what TJ Maxx had. They didn't have any Valentine's Day stuff, which surprised me so much because it seems like they always have every seasonal item, but they didn't. So I usually get a lot of stuff there and I didn't this time. It was all furniture, so that was kind of a bummer, but I did get a few pieces from Hobby Lobby. It is too early though for the sale to start. They have all of their Valentine's Day stuff out, or they're getting it out, but they didn't have anything on sale. So I just got one thing from there and used the 40% off coupon that's on the website. And then I'm trying to think. We also went to Kirkland's. They barely had any Valentine's Day stuff. And I know that like Valentine's Day isn't a big holiday and places aren't going to have like a ton of stuff, but I did think they would have a little bit more than they did. They just had like 2 small rounders and that was it. So I ended up getting some clearance stuff there instead that I'm getting ready to show you guys in just a second. And I also went to Dollar Tree the other day to pick up a few things, and I just happened to see some random Valentine's Day stuff that I picked up. So I'll show you everything that I got now. Okay, here's an overview of what I picked out. So not a whole lot. I'm not decorating a ton. I'm just gonna do my table in the dining room with 1 tiered tray, and that is it. So pretty much just decorating my dining room, maybe a little bit here and there in my living room. So trying to keep it pretty minimal, but I did pick up from the Dollar Tree some craft paper, and this is just plain brown. It's just the postal wrapping paper, and I'm going to make a big I'll insert a picture of my inspiration from Pinterest, but it's like a hanging scroll with some calligraphy on it. I've got a book to learn how to do calligraphy, so I'm hoping to teach myself enough to write something out for that, but I will do a DIY video on how to make that brown paper scroll. And then I got this little sign from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? It was only $1. So cute. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen, I believe. But we'll see. I might put it on the front door just to add like a little pop of red. The only other thing I got from Dollar Tree were these little Valentines. They just had some dinosaurs on them, and I thought Brooks would like to give these to his friends and cousins for Valentine's Day. But if you guys need Valentine's Day cards, this is a good option, and it's only $1. Okay, moving on to the rest of it. Like I said, I'm going to decorate my 3-tiered tray. I found these little sweet jars at Target, and I thought that they would be cute to do on the 3-tiered tray with like some M&Ms in it. And the top says baked with love. So you could do a cupcake, you could do anything you wanted, but I think just for decoration purposes, I'm going to have M&Ms in there. And then I also found a card for Taylor. It's only $1. I love their cards in the dollar spot section at Target. So good. And then I got this runner. It's got little, I don't know, like fringies on it. Fringies. Is that even a word? Probably not. But it's just like a really pale pink. I wanted to keep everything kind of more on the pink side versus red, because red just seems more Christmassy to me. I don't know. I'm just trying to stay away from it because we just had Christmas. But this was $10 from Target. It's the Opal House brand. And then I also got this little plate. It's just light pink. I think it was $2 $2.50 maybe. It says it's a salad plate. So you could get a bunch of these if you wanted to have them on your table for your tablescape, but I think I'm just gonna do one. I may go back and get more, but I got these cookie cutters from the Target dollar spot. They were only $1, and I figured I could make a couple cookies and have them on there and decorate them with Brooks. And then I picked up this little goal getter, I don't know, little Scrabble board thing, whatever this is called, but I thought it was so cute, and it was on the clearance 75% off for $2.99, and I thought originally that these would pop out, but they don't. So I was gonna use it for some other ones that I got, and I'm gonna have to figure out what to do about them. I think I might have Taylor just make something like this for these ones here that I picked up from the Target dollar spot. These were $3, and it says "Love you more, be mine," and I thought that was so cute. Love that. But yeah, so that's everything there. I also picked up some baking gifting set. So it's just some little bags, treat bags, and then it has stickers that you can like write out who it's to, and it comes with little tags and string. I thought that was so cute. So like I said, we're gonna bake some cookies with Brooks, and this was $3, and we could give them to, I don't know, different people he wants to. And then I got this little wooden house with this leather heart. This was $6, and it was half off at Hobby Lobby, so I got it for $3. I also got some napkin rings, like napkin holders, and these were on clearance for 74 cents. They're normally $2.99, so I got 6 of those for my tablescape. You could use these all year round if you wanted. It's very neutral, and I liked like the natural wooden aspect of them. And then I got some dish towels from Target in the dollar spot. These were $5. So cute. I'm going to put them on my little ladder in the kitchen. So that's the plan for that. And then I found these wooden beads from Hobby Lobby, and it's got a little heart on there. This was $8.99 originally, and I just used the 40% off coupon for it. I'm going to hang this on my mug rack, I think, so really excited for that. And then I found this cute little planter. I got it in this pink color because I thought it would go good for Valentine's Day and spring. So this one was, I think, $5. It was $3. So super cute. I need to find a little plant to go in there, but this little riser had me sold. I think it's adorable. And then I found some pens. This was a 3-pack of pens for $1 at the Target dollar spot. This one says "Today is the day." The other one says "Make a plan." And the other one is just polka dots. But I got it mainly because this marker has a felt tip on it. So I think it would be good for the calligraphy sign that I'm going to be making. And then I also got this little mini banner. I thought it was so cute. So I'm going to wrap it around something. I'm not sure what yet. And then I got some M&Ms that were Valentine's Day inspired. They just have like little hearts on them and arrows. I thought that was so cute. I'm going to put those in those little 3 containers. And then I got some paper straws in the light pink color. These were $1 in the Target dollar spot to put in a Ray Dunn mug. So that is everything that I got for Valentine's Day. Very excited to add some little pops of color to the decor, just a little bit, nothing major, because I really do enjoy the neutral. So if you take this away, there's really not a whole lot of red anymore, especially since I'm not going to be using that. So yeah, pretty neutral, and I can't wait to see it all together and decorate the 3-tiered tray. So if you want to see how I do that, just stay tuned, because I'm going to do this DIY and decorate everything, and I'll film it in a separate video. Okay, this is what I got from Kirkland's. I found this sign. You can tell it's pretty big. It's a very good sized sign. I love this font. I think it looks very modern farmhouse. And I got it on clearance for $14.97. I thought that was a really good deal for such a big sign. And my vision for this is to have like a woven hanging basket and put some flowers in it for the springtime. And then any other time just have maybe some greenery hanging over it. I think it'll be so cute, and I'm gonna put it in the entryway of our house. And then I got these two signs here from Kirkland's as well, and I'm gonna put them in the kitchen. I love this like look of this plaid. They were normally $7.97 and I got them 25% off of that, so they were around $5 a piece, and I thought that was pretty good. This one is just a parsley fig, and then the other one is a dill fig. So pretty cute. And I'm gonna hang them like one on top of the other in the kitchen near the pantry. So I'll show you guys how that looks once they are hung up. But yeah, I'm so excited. It was less than $30 for all three of those pieces. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what a couple different stores have out for Valentine's Day this year. If you guys decorate for Valentine's Day, let me know down in the comments what you guys have in mind for that. And also, if you guys want more inspiration for Valentine's Day or any home decor in general, make sure to check out my Pinterest page. I've totally revamped it for the new year, and I've got everything from meal ideas to farmhouse inspiration to holiday decorating to organization for your house. So if you guys need any inspiration for any of that, just check out my Pinterest. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. Also, make sure to like this video if you guys like Shop With Me's decorating style videos. I love doing them for you guys and showing you what stores have out, especially if you don't live near these stores. It's sometimes fun to just kind of shop along and just relax at home while you see what all of the stores have. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'd love to have you here. I post all kinds of homemaking, home decorating, cleaning, cooking, those types of videos, just how to make your life a little bit easier as a homemaker. So if you like how that sounds, definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in Friday's video.